Are you ready to be part of the IoT revolution? With AWS IoT, the future is at your fingerprints, empowering innovation that transforms industry from agriculture to healthcare. In today's video, I will introduce you to a comprehensive list of videos that will help you to learn valuable tips about how AWS IoT is revolutionizing industries. We will discover how two sectors like manufacturing, healthcare, and agriculture are enabling seamless connectivity, data collection, and analysis. This 15-second list of AWS IoT YouTube shorts provide insights in both language, English and Spanish, that you will need to learn more about it. Don't miss the opportunity to explore how AWS IoT can transform your businesses and create smart solutions today. Be sure to subscribe to this channel as we move toward a connected future and start building with AWS IoT.